What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ATER for Aterian Inc. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this, of course, will be an update, and I think this one's trying, again, big emphasis on trying, to come back to life. You can certainly see that we spent a number of days consolidating right around that blue line, the 50 SMA from the daily perspective, and now we are starting to poke our heads back up above that $9 area of resistance based on, again, this from here, prior area of resistance, and then a double bottom kind of in here. It didn't resolve to the upside, obviously, but support here and support here for this last little dead cat bounce before prices really rolled over. So the recapture of 9 is really the update to talk about. And in today's session, I think it's noteworthy to see that we saw muted volume, so certainly less than what we saw on Tuesday, but that's on a day that remained up above 9 the whole dollar. So again, a step in the right direction here for seeing if this does want to wake up. The main thing to point out here is, of course, this resistance trend line. I could see, something like this, a pullback, and then a firmer break of the resistance trend line, a retest of 1120, puts into play a breakout that could take us into these highs right around here, closer to 14, the nice round number. So again, very, very speculative there in terms of how that might unfold, but I did want to bring to light and sort of, mention that ATER, Aterian, is trying to wake back up. I mean, look at the volume down below. It did perk up based on the break of 9. If you look at how it happened from the 30-minute perspective, big volume bar right here, and that obviously led to the recapture of 9. So if it wants to remain sideways, if volume wants to remain muted, fine. Look for it to remain above this 894 as your line in the sand. If it fails back down underneath, we know that the target technically should be the bottom end of this consolidation range right there at the 745. Okay, that's the bad scenario. Obviously, the one not a lot of people want to see happen. If it resolves to the upside, look for a break of 10 basically, and on good volume, right? So this is always the caveat when it comes to momentum movers. If the breakout is going to happen, you should look for volume bars to be on par with about 4 million shares per 30-minute bar, okay? If it's not there, then I would just look for sideways consolidation or potentially a fake breakout, and that would be your signal to try to, avoid getting wrapped up in the FOMO of ATER if it starts to give us some sort of fake breakout. Again, volume on these momentum plays is always going to be your driver, so please keep a close eye on it. That's going to wrap up the video here inside of ATER. Just a quick update saying that we are above 9 now with some acceptance. We'll see what unfolds. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.